Hello, I'm Kaemmerer, Executive Branding and LinkedIn expert. And today I want to share with you how to find articles that are brand worthy for you to post on your favorite social medium. Of course, you could read articles all day in searching for the ideal article to post, but I know you don't have that kind of time, and neither do I. So I'm going to share my favorite way to make this job easy. We want to use a tool called Google Alerts. So just Google it. So as I share my screen, here are my Google Alerts. They are all about executive branding and presence, personal branding, etc. But to show you how neat this tool is and how it works, I'm going to use someone else's keyword. Let's see. Shopper marketing. So this is a keyword for one of my most recent clients. And if I created an alert, I would see all these articles coming to my email inbox. I wanted to show you here, we can also customize how many times we see this, whether it's once a week or once a day or as they come. We can customize which email we'd like them to come to and other such things. So I'm going to hide that, and then we'll look at the articles. These are the kinds of articles that would come to someone's email box if they had this as shopper marketing as one of their keywords. So let's look at this particular article. It's about brand loyalty programs. And the way that I would evaluate this is I would read through the article in its entirety and figure out, what can I say about this article that reflects well on my personal brand? So once I figured that out, then I'm ready to post. And usually you'll find sharing buttons right here. I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn. So we click the LinkedIn sharing button, and LinkedIn will give us the option to post it or to share it as a message. So here we're going to share it as a post. This is where we would add our own wisdom and help us to cultivate our brand online. So I hope you will use this powerful tool, Google Alerts, when you look for your next article that will help you increase your visibility, credibility, and community on your social media. Our hashtags for this series are hashtag social media moment and hashtag NSAMN for National Speakers Association, Minnesota chapter. Thanks for listening.